they come with any fish. There we go. And we got our 2 short-haired cats built. Made Eden Verzero from BF2. Oh, cool. I've seen a Spider-Man one that I kind of want. Got guys here. Spin them around. Both got moving tails. Also have a Virus Chris from High Republic. Not really. They are very. I'm super excited. It also makes me sad. You know, I also got 2 other cats that I love dearly and whatnot. I'm good. But yeah, so now we got our 2 cats. This is probably one of the only brick set or brick heads I'll probably really. Maybe I'll get Spider-Man. Are the cats a new set? I think they're a few months old now. I got them probably a year. Yeah, I've been holding on to them for a little while, so they're. I'm good. I think it's just it's a little process. Yeah. Built them. Took me only an hour, about an hour or so. So now I think that's pretty good, and that's chit-chatting and everything. So they'll be up in display with my cat. That has passed. Pretty happy with it.